Hello! We're about to break down all the fashion of the MTV Movie and TV Awards right now, right here on Dirty Laundry.
It's happening. This is my favorite thing to do, Sinead. I love talking about the fashion. I love MTV. I love the TV. I love the movies. So let's do it.
Yeah, you know what else you love?
What?
Lovers Weekend at the Movies. Duh.
Oh my God.
So if you guys haven't watched all of our other videos from this past weekend, just click this little white box that should be right there. Just click that and watch them. But first, watch Dirty Laundry, obviously.
Lana Condor is probably one of the most attractive people in Hollywood right now, and this outfit makes her even more beautiful. Like,
This is like, to all the dresses I've loved before.
So of course everybody was waiting for her to walk the carpet, and she looks stunning.
She does, and I'm obsessed with those puffy sleeves. And she's like the queen of romantic comedy right now.
Yeah.
I love her. I love her face.
You don't
I love
like the
her hair.
dress?
I don't like the
Why?
dress. I don't think it's flattering on her.
I see. I totally do.
I think she's so beautiful, and her stylist could have just made her shine more.
I love this is like a kind of like a vacation look. Like you could totally see her on the beach in Maui with her friends wearing this. It's like a multi-purpose dress.
There are people on her dress.
She looks amazing, honestly.
I'm really obsessed with this print, whatever this is. I'm seeing like
Yes.
flowers. It kind of reminds me like a sunset or like something I would see in grandma's house.
Oh, it looks like a little crop top with like a high-waisted skirt.
I feel like if you're gonna go two-piece, commit, you know? It's like, this looks like a dress that kind of just got like swoosh.
It does. Actually, it does look like it could seamlessly go
Like,
together.
give us a separation.
She had to cut her hair for the sci-fi show she was in, and I really liked her long hair in To All the Boys, but her short hair
No.
looks so good here.
It gives her like a whole like sassy kind of attitude, which I'm here for.
Sassy slash, she could be an assassin.
She's so well put together too. Her hair looks
Yeah.
amazing. Her jewelry's on point. Her shoes are beautiful too.
Her shoes match my jacket.
Oh my God, they do too.
And she never ever needs to wear any makeup either.
Oh, she's gorgeous.
And I just
gorgeous.
I love a fresh look as I'm wearing like 7 pounds of makeup right now.
It looks like it would be kind of a stinky dress. You know, like it
No,
looks
what
like
does
you would
that mean?
sweat in it. Like it looks like it's not a comfortable dress, but who cares about comfort when you're on the red carpet? You're there to be seen, and I see her.
You can tell she knows too. Like, she feels confident.
She definitely feels
You
confident.
can see
Yes.
that. She's glowing.
I would
Yes,
be confident
girl.
too if I was on one of the biggest movies on Netflix. So.
Yes, and you know, alongside Noah Centineo as
Yeah,
well. Like, I mean,
'cause-
that helps.
Hot.
Hot.
Laura and Vanessa Morano.
Whoa, these are some outfits. I really dig these outfits, especially for MTV, right?
I think they look so cute.
Yay! My faves, Laura and Vanessa. So I'm good friends with Laura, and she actually talked to me on the carpet.
Yes.
And when they came up, they literally were like glitter goddesses. This photo is not doing it justice. Like, they were walking down the carpet sparkling. I love it so
Yeah.
much.
They kind of look like ice skaters. Like,
Oh,
you know what I mean? In the best way.
Oh, I love it.
I love it. I think Laura looks like a cute little pixie that she should be flying across the Matterhorn to meet the castle at Disneyland.
Laura looks like a cross between Belle and Jasmine and Tinkerbell. Right? She's got like Disney princess vibes.
They look amazing.
Yeah.
And they're like such a good pair as well. Like, they're just completely different, but their outfits also work.
Well, I love that Laura's showing some midriff. It's definitely giving me like belly dancer vibes,
Yes,
which I love.
Like Genie in a Bottle.
I think Vanessa, I love her hair in this. She looks fierce. Her makeup looks amazing.
Yeah.
Her dress looks a little bit like something that you could get at Wet Seal.
Uh-huh.
Laura's dress is like, man, I don't ever see that when I'm shopping online 24/7. I wish that I could find that for myself. This other dress is like BodCon or ModCon. BodyCon? BodyCon.
Is that a convention for bodies?
Body BodyCon is a style of dress that I never buy.
Lizzo, my girl, looking like a beautiful piece of slime from Nickelodeon.
This is like the perfect
Yeah.
summer dress.
Oh yeah, she looks like a push pop.
Oh, give me
Like,
some of that.
That's a flavor of push pop.
So I love the fur.
I love, well, I think they're like feathers.
Like a little bit of.
You know what? Lizzo always goes out there and she does her own thing, and regardless of if it's like the typical of what people would be like, yes. I just love it because it's
I love
Lizzo.
how you're just tiptoeing all around the fact that you do not like this dress.
I wouldn't wear it myself.
Yeah.
This
Honestly.
color isn't something you normally see anybody wear on a red carpet, and it's like you can't not look at her. She literally walked by at one point, and we were all just like, "Oh my god!"
But I do like the neon because neon 100% just keeps clawing its way back into our seasons.
Yeah.
I thought the neon trend had died. Like, I really thought it was done.
It's back.
All of a sudden, it is back, and I am digging it.
If you don't know Lizzo, what I love about her is she literally gives zero boop.
Yes.
So like the fact that she wore this to a carpet, like some people, like you said, couldn't pull this off.
Yeah.
But she is just so confident within herself that it doesn't matter what if she wore a trash bag. It's
She'd
literally
look
like, I don't
amazing.
care if you care that I'm wearing a trash
I
bag.
know.
I care that you don't care Does that make sense?
Yeah, I don't care.
Probably
You don't
not,
care.
but you did that.
She doesn't care. She did that.
I just don't know if I like that weird cinchy thing going down each side because it reminds me of like those old school, like old timey gowns where it would be all like bunchy and bunchy, you know? They kind of look like drapes a little bit. I don't like that effect on a dress. I think this would be a perfectly fine dress if it was straight down to the ground and she was covering up those sneakers.
She just has such a good vibe, such good energy,
Yeah.
so much confidence. Only she could like pull off a dress like that. And those shoes.
I love the idea behind this dress. I love the color. I love the fur.
What don't you love?
The tennis shoes.
What do you mean? You can wear fancy things with tennis shoes and be cool?
I'm not a fan of like the whole like the dad sneaker trend like with dresses.
Wow.
Especially with well, you know, I can see your feet. That's why you wore it. Sinead's wearing those dad sneakers.
So apparently this is Nick Cannon, but you
Yeah.
cannot see his face.
Nick Cannon.
Whoa, dude, that is cool. Why do I like this? I feel like I should hate it, but I love it.
You know why I love this? Because this is giving me old school Mortal Kombat vibes.
Yes.
Finish him. Fatality.
I'm fine with the handkerchief. I'm fine with the vest. I just don't like when like the labels are splashed across everything because it's like they're not paying you to do that.
I love that his best thing is matching his shoes.
Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, you know,
Yeah.
so he's definitely
Poppin'.
popping.
And he's like you said, he's wearing designer.
Mm-hmm.
So they've obviously made this maybe specifically for him.
right.
I don't know. but
Maybe.
Looks good.
looks
I'm a little confused, but looks really good.
He's always very comfortable. He's barely wearing any clothes. I always feel like there's lots of ventilation happening, and he's on brand with himself.
You know what I do appreciate? Like when your shoes match your shirt, match your face mask.
Can he breathe?
I don't like those. It's weird. Stop doing it. It's weird.
Maybe he was worried about the pollution,
Pollution,
in LA.
pollution in LA is a serious thing. We talk about our allergies all the time,
Yes,
so
well,
that's
yes, your
that's
eyes
definitely.
and everything. So
Yeah.
maybe like that's what it is. I wonder if it was actually like functional.
Take that off your face. I'm sorry. I don't like it. We're not walking through the Sahara, so stop it. You don't need
You
it.
really don't like those.
I don't
things.
like them. They're weird. That's not an accessory to me. I saw it all over Coachella. I just wanted to snap them off people's faces. I don't like them. It's weird.
The lineup looks good though.
Ooh.
Nanny.
This is slick.
Yeah.
Makeup's on point.
Yeah.
Looks amazing. There's a lot going on though in that suit.
There is a lot going on. So
It's
a
a-
big pattern.
I don't hate the pattern.
I don't hate it either.
I don't freaking love it. It's fine.
Manny is always really put together when it comes to these events. Like, he never steps out without making a statement, and I feel like that's exactly what's happening right now.
I love that he took a risk. I don't love it, but I do love that he like went there a little bit with it because I feel like especially with guys on red carpets, it's very easy to be safe and just wear like a nice suit or some jeans and a shirt. But he definitely took a risk here.
He's definitely seen in that.
I kind of wish he just would have worn it without a shirt under. You
yeah.
know?
Yeah.
So we could just focus on.
The pattern.
Yeah.
But I like the mesh shirt. I'm a big fan of mesh.
Really?
Yeah, well, that's just a personal preference. I'm
But
not
with
saying
that suit, no.
well, I like a mesh shirt.
But not with that suit.
I like a mesh shirt.
You actually like no shirt.
Listen, I did not plan on this look. I was wearing a green shirt earlier and it had to change. Long story.
My boyfriend, Noah Centineo. Well, actually, the internet's boyfriend.
America's boyfriend, Noah Centineo, looking like he's heading to another day and junior high.
I will say in this particular outfit, he looks like just
boy
your
next
boyfriend.
door-
Yeah.
the boy next door.
Yeah.
Noah Centineo, he literally could wear this to any red carpet and have me think it's cute.
He also could be naked, and I would think it's cute.
Only he could show up to a red carpet in black jeans, black t-shirt, and chucks and still look amazing.
And just toting around a camera.
What is the deal with the camera?
Oh, is he doing that thing where he takes pictures of the paparazzi? While they take
Probably.
pictures of him?
Cute.
Yeah, adorbs.
Is that like an accessory, or do you think he actually?
Well, he
must
probably.
have-
Oh, that's the deal with the
hello.
camera. He wanted to take some photos. He's like, I'm gonna turn it back on you and show you that I can
Yes.
do the same thing.
Although I will say, he kind of looks like he could be working production for the
security?
event.
Yeah.
So Noah is on like this press tour, about to be, I guess, for
Yeah.
his upcoming sequel, right? To all the
To all the boys I
How
loved
to All the
before.
Boys.
Yes.
And so I feel like maybe this is more like his downtime before he hopefully brings some more fashionable pieces to the carpet. But I also just really respect the fact that he's pretty normal.
With this particular look, it's like one of those things where I'm not surprised that he did this, and I don't really need him to be extra because his face and
Oh my
everything
God.
about him is fine.
I mean, I would have loved him to show up in his Calvins. I
Yeah.
think that would have really been. pleasing for everyone for so many reasons.
Yeah. So we have Gadden, Finn, and Noah. They're growing up before our eyes. It's
Too
really
quickly. Don't grow up. It's a trap, you guys. Stay small.
Kids grow like weeds when they're like from 10
Especially
to like 19.
guys, because they have like those growth spurts that I feel like girls don't necessarily have at the same time.
It took me a second to realize that these are the kids from Stranger Things.
Okay, I just gotta say it. The kid in the middle looks like Howard Stern.
He looks like he could be the front man of like a rock and roll band.
Oh, totally.
Or,
He
like
could the queen or something.
Yes,
Yeah.
the queen. The queen?
Not the queen, but queen.
Wow. This is not a good look for him. I think he is like great on the show. This is not a good look. I'm gonna get in trouble for talking crap about kids, but somebody should have showed him a mirror.
I'm getting Beetlejuice vibes though.
Total Beetlejuice vibes.
With those pants.
Yeah.
I'm just always impressed because they're so young and it's kind of cool to see them show their personal style so much.
I'm really feeling the jean jacket that looks like metallic spray paint.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that
Yeah,
was
I'm
metallic.
feeling that.
And Noah's suit is everything.
Everything.
It gives me like Harry Styles vibes. Remember when Harry Styles always had
Yeah.
those pattern suits?
Yeah.
I love it so much. And a platform sneaker? Is that a platform sneaker?
I'm all for the polka dots.
The polka dot suit, and
Yeah.
it looks so clean with his hair, and those
I
shoes
like his
are also
haircut.
really cool. Yeah, and I love the fact that they all have their own individual style.
Yeah.
They look completely different.
Yeah.
I didn't have the confidence to wear anything except sweatpants when I was
still
his
don't
age.
have the confidence, but here I am talking about people.
Tana Mojo, listen.
What?
What do you mean what?
I just said what. I didn't say negatively or positive. I said what?
I love this. I'm sorry.
Wow. Tana Mojo won the carpet, honestly.
If anything, there are certain award shows where you can literally do whatever you want. Tana Mojo is not afraid to make a statement, and she looks like a dollar bill.
She does. She is on the money.
I don't care if people think it's tacky, if they think it's too much. The idea of making yourself a clip wallet.
Yeah.
She should have picked a bill higher than one, but other than that, I have no criticism
She should
whatsoever.
have picked a bill higher than one.
You know?
She posts, I think, on Twitter or Instagram, like, representing my net worth, which is $1, which was so funny.
And her hair. I love her hair. This, I don't know. I thought I was going to laugh at it, but I actually really love everything about this. From her hair to her shoes to the dollar dress.
I love the neck thing. You can't even call it a necklace.
It looks like Beyonce's Formation video necklace.
Yes, I do. Oh, it's Moschino. I see that.
You know?
I'm so glad that she did what she just did there.
Because she saved the carpet.
She saved the carpet, honestly, because I'm like, I mean, all the looks have been lovely and,
Yeah.
and cool and hot and all that sort of thing. But I mean, this is MTV.
Yeah.
Tana, you did it, girl.
Okay, Sinead. A lot of good peeps on the carpet.
Yep.
Who was your fave?
Ooh, okay. So out of these, I would say my favorite, surprisingly, is Tana Mojo.
I agree. She
Yeah.
looked good. Who dresses as a dollar bill? Like, that was genius. And the fact that it, like, stayed stiff.
Yeah.
What's in that stuff? Hairspray? And it looked like a real dollar.
I mean, for me personally, Lizzo killed the carpet. As well as Tana Mojo.
Yeah.
Because for me, MTV carpets are all about going out there, doing something crazy, being creative, and they both did that and they both owned it. Looked amazing, so confident, and I mean, I'm so here for it.
Well, for me, I definitely agree. Lizzo was one of my favorites just because I love the confidence so much. And this may be, a little controversial, but Nick Cannon, I love that he went there, and it took me back to my childhood with Mortal Kombat. So just for that alone, you get my vote.
Is it weird to say that my favorite is Noah Centineo's look?
Yes. Yes.
Why?
Aaron. But how cute is Laura Marano?
I know. It's a real toss-up between him and her and Lana and then Tana.
If I were picking like favorite, most extravagant, Tana for sure. But like favorite outfit altogether, Laura Marano. Noah Centineo wasn't even wearing an outfit. He just like came from the grocery store.
It's his smile and his confidence. You're never fully dressed without a smile.
I'm always naked then.
Okay, you guys, that wraps it up for the MTV Movie and TV Awards Dirty Laundry.
Yay! Okay, we told you our favorites, but we want to know your favorites. So head down to the comments and drop them down there. And also, let us know, who did we miss? Because we know you guys like reminding us about that. So drop that in the comments too.
Drop it down low. Also, your laundry is dirty. You're welcome.
Well, that is it, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with us during Clever's Weekend at the Movies. It's over. I'm kind of sad.
Sad too, but you can watch all of it right over there.
Yeah, especially if you missed it. Like, go watch it right now.
Binge.
Oh, and then click down here because there's a subscribe button.
Oh yeah.
So subscribe.
If you press it, you get a free pizza. Don't believe me?
Yeah, don't believe her.
Do it and find out.